The
Okay,
other
okay,
day,
wow.
I actually made a film for my film class that is like about a minute long. Like that was the assignment. It's supposed to be like a minute long.
And who do you live with?
Well, I live with my grandmother actually.
Oh, really? Me too. Me too.
Really?
Yes. And which year are you in?
Fourth.
Oh, me too. Fourth year. I'm a final year student.
No way. Hi.
Hi. Hello, can
How
you
are
hear
you
me?
doing? Yeah.
Okay, okay, great.
Yes, yes, I
And
can hear you.
okay, I'm amazing. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm amazing, and the day is a little bit hectic because I have some works to do, as well as I had three online exam, internal, that is
Oh,
internal.
okay.
Yeah, I'm a college student doing
You're a
bachelor's
what
of
student?
technology. College student. I'm a college
Oh,
goers.
you're a college student. Oh, I'm a college student too.
Wow, that's really great.
Yeah.
So, and so what is your majoring?
Well, I'm majoring in film and literature.
Oh, wow. Nice. Oh,
Yes, I'm a
literature.
double
Really
major.
great, really great.
I'm majoring. Do you know
Oh,
what?
wow.
Like, I think there's a delay actually. I think there's a delay.
Uh, Yes, I think.
Yeah. I
Uh,
wonder how we can
the
fix
network issue, I
that.
think
Sorry,
that
what?
uh, it is delay because of network issue, I think. I cannot connect properly.
Yeah, I don't know if it's your network or mine.
Maybe mine, maybe. Okay, no problem. So, what were you talking about?
Well,
About
I was
majoring.
talking about, yeah, I was talking about that I major in filmmaking, right? So I make
Okay,
movies,
okay. Great, great.
right?
That's really
And
great.
I also write, right? I write scripts for movies, and
Oh,
I also study literature, which is, books and bodies of work about people in history and stuff like that. So it's really
lovely.
cool.
Yeah,
Honestly,
you
I
are.
like it a lot.
Oh, so you are doing a lot of works. Great, that's
Yeah.
great. I'm very keen about to know that what is your the to film anything, or what is your I mean to say that what kind of films do you do, like web series or
Yeah. So basically, that's a really good question.
what kind of?
Thank you. Like, I really, basically, like the kinds of films that I do depends on what stories like come to my mind, but mostly I focus
Oh,
on stories about my own life, right? The
okay,
other
okay,
day I
wow.
actually made a film for my film class that is like about a minute long. Like that was the assignment. It's supposed to be like a minute long, and it's about
Yes.
this girl who wants to kill her sister.
What?
It's very
I cannot
dark.
hear
It's
you.
very, yeah.
So, what is the film name and where I can get? What is
Oh,
which is the
it's
portal?
not it okay, so to get your films like out there into like a company or something is very difficult. So that 1 minute film I just made for a class. So I don't know if you
Okay.
like want to watch it. I don't know how you can because like it's in my hard drive right now. So like I don't know how you can
Okay,
like
okay.
watch it like in another like I don't know if you can watch it like on Vimeo or something because it's not anywhere. It's just in my hard drive.
Oh, so
So
you don't, okay, so you don't post it on YouTube or anything else, any social media like that?
well, I am thinking of posting it on YouTube, but I only have the first draft done. So I'm really not sure whether to post it
Yeah, you
yet
should.
because there's still a little bit of work to be done with it, editing wise.
Okay, okay. Okay, after completion of the work, then you can post on YouTube because it is free, and if it goes well, then it's the benefit of you. Totally.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. By the way, do you
Actually,
have a
I
name
am doing
or do you
YouTube
like people to call you
besides
Indraji
my
or
study. Yes, I am going to iconic Indra.
Iconic Indra?
Yeah, it is
Okay,
my channel name.
awesome. So do you like people to call you Indra?
Yeah, I like that. People calling me
Nice, nice. Okay. I mean, I like people to call me Andy, but I have my real
Andy.
name here, Adriana. Yeah, Andy with an I.
Wow,
Look, Andy.
wow, nice, nice short name.
Thank you. Thank you.
And who do you live with?
Well, I live with my grandmother, actually.
Oh, really? Me too. Me too.
Really?
Yes, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt. It is a joint family and also with my grandmother. But my main guardian is my grandmother. Grandmother.
Oh,
She is
wow.
my
Okay.
guardian, main guardian, because
She's your
she's,
main guardian.
yeah, care of. I suggest her name. Care of, after my name. I suggest her name to fill up any official form or like that.
Oh, okay.
And to
That's
be
cool.
honest
It's
with you,
weird, right? That we're both like college students that live with
yeah,
their grandmothers, right?
we are very passionate about filming.
Yeah, and we both have YouTube channels.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
That's really strange, but it is very nice to meet you. And so, where are
It's
you
so
from
nice to
exactly?
meet you. I'm from Puerto Rico. I'm gonna type
Okay,
it.
yeah, because
Yeah.
you sound like this local language and get you. Okay, now it's understand. It is understood. Okay.
Yeah, Puerto Rico is a small island in the Caribbean, right? In the Caribbean Sea,
Mhm.
which is
Okay.
do you know where Cuba is?
Goa.
Cuba, Cuba.
Oh, Cuba, Cuba. Yeah, yeah, I know, I know. I heard about that.
So Cuba is in the Caribbean too. So it's like
Mhm.
imagine this is like the sea, right? This is where Cuba is. This is where the Dominican Republic and Haiti are, and then this is where Puerto Rico is. So Cuba and
Oh,
Puerto Rico
the
are
next two. Yeah,
yeah, they're
close.
very it's next to it. Yeah, it's very close, very close.
Hmm, I see, I see. Like India and Bangladesh.
Exactly.
And have you been to India before or not?
I've been to India, but it
But
is on my list.
yeah, it is in your bucket list. So you should come. You should come, and we are waiting for you to welcome you because we welcome our guest specially and warmly.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And it's um I don't know. I feel like a lot of people go to India like for a spiritual, retreat and like to get to know the culture
Okay.
and food and stuff like
Hmm.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think that like that would be like my main thing to like and
Yeah,
also
actually, India is
I'm
so
very
diverse
passionate
country.
about environmental causes, right? About the
Hmm.
environment. And I do hear in the news and all that stuff like that, since I'm very passionate about that, like I hear that India is heavily polluted um,
Hmm.
especially in the rivers. And I feel like it would be really great, very pertinent to deal with the climate crisis, especially in
Yeah,
places like India.
true, true, true. That's true. And which year are you in?
Fourth.
Oh, me too, fourth year. I'm a final year student.
No way.
Actually, I am doing electronics and communication engineering. That is BTech degree, Bachelor of Technology, and I'm in final year, so it is the last year, and it is 4 year course. So I'm fourth year.
Nice. Wow. I was going to study engineering, but then I was like, no.
When you think about
I
something
was like,
different,
I was
yeah,
like, no, because I didn't want to study something that it's not. I'm not saying that this is what happened to you. I'm saying this is what happened to me.
yeah, sure, sure.
My dad wanted me to study engineering because it makes a lot of money and whatever. And I was like, yeah, no thanks. I don't want to do that. I want to do something else.
Something different, and that is really great that you are doing the filming. You want to
Yeah.
do a career, a bright career in filming. So that's really great, and that's really unique also. And if there is any scope, I will definitely do in your filming industry.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
It is really
Yeah.
wonderful to meet you, Adriana, Andy.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God. Yes, Indra, it is so nice to meet you too, honestly. And it's so crazy how like we're
Yeah,
in like
so much
completely different parts
similarities
of
we
the
have.
world.
Yeah,
And we like, you know, we have a lot in common.
yeah, a lot of similarities we have.
Yeah. How old are
That's
you?
really great. I'm 22.
You're 22. Yeah, I'm about to be 21 in December.
Okay, okay. No worries. And my birthday is October
October what?
15.
15. You're a Libra.
Yeah. Uh, I am Pisces,
No, you're not a Pisces.
but some astrologer saw in my hand that he decided that I'm into the Pisces, but I don't know what.
Oh, I mean, it depends on the calendar that you're using because the
Okay.
calendar that you use, like the calendar that we use, the Western one, right?
Hmm.
You would be a Libra, right? And I'm a Capricorn,
Oh,
right? So I don't
maybe.
know if I don't know.
Yeah.
I read hands
Actually,
too,
mm,
so
I
like
suggest I yes
yeah.
I went to the astrologer to know my zodiac only, nothing else.
Okay, yeah. So if we use like also you went to an astrologer, so you're curious about that.
Yeah, only to know the yeah zodiac. What zodiac is? That's it. Not to the future, because I think that I can make my future well. I can make my future better. So I think so. That's why I do not go.
Exactly.
I did not
Yeah.
went. Hmm.
Exactly. Yeah, I think so too. I think that, even though there are ways of like more or less,
Hmm.
telling some things, like
Sometimes it
you still
matches.
have a
Sometimes
freedom of
it
choice
doesn't.
to like
Yeah.
make your
Sure.
future,
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Future is in my hand. My future. So that's why the only uh, what I say only responsibility about my future, that is me. I have to make my future better. Only I can change my future.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
And it is so nice to meet you. I think the time is running out.
Yeah, and I have another reservation right now, so I have to go actually.
Okay, no problem. Thank you for joining me, and I will upload it on YouTube and I will send you the link. Okay.
Of course,
Sure,
yeah.
sure. And
See you,
stay safe, stay
Indra.
happy. Yeah, yeah. Bye, bye. Take care, dear.
Bye.